yeah, let's get into some of that good old-fashioned car talk. Stop it. Let me say, stop it again. Stop emailing me talking about T-Light. I told you they got a new SRT powered by SRT charger. It's going to have 1,000 horsepower because TK said it was. Shout out to TK, you sly son of a gun. But yeah, he did say it's going to have 1,000 horsepower, but we already talked about this in my previous video. And let me ask you something. Do you like trash? I'm just asking you, do you like trash? I'm pretty sure the answer to that was no. Most of y'all said no. So if I gave you more trash, would you like that? Probably not. So what I'm getting to is they gave you 550 horsepower in the Inline-6 Scat Pack version. And they gave you like 420 in the RT. Both of those are good numbers. That's some real nice horsepower. And it's in an all-wheel drive package that you can hit a button and make rear-wheel drive. So you didn't like that. You absolutely hate it. Matter of fact, you think it's El Disgusto. You think it's doo-doo on toilet paper. Worthless. So what would make you so excited about 1,000 horsepower coming from an Inline-6? I don't know. But let me tell you why I think it's a good thing. Now, I have said the Inline-6 I never said it was trash. I just said people don't like it because of the sound. Well, if they put 1,000 horsepower on an Inline-6, it don't matter if it's with a supercharger or twin turbo. It's going to sound good. It's no way you can make 1,000 horsepower sound bad. It's going to sound good. It's going to have some pops and some bangs because it's 1,000 horsepower, so it's going to have some kind of pops, some kind of bangs. And those turbos, when they fuel up, they're going to go zzz, and it's going to have a psss, blow-off valves. It's going to sound good. It's going to sound cool. It might even make people come running back, in my opinion. But, I had the verse right there. But, there is a but. And it's the very reason I won't get one. I wouldn't get one because they're ugly, because like I've said in plenty of videos, I don't think the car's ugly, I just think it looks unfinished. Which I was the first guy to say that. I was the first guy to say that, but I'm not gonna brag or anything like that. But it looks unfinished. It looks like a concept car. It actually looks like the 2012 version in the back. If you look at the back of the 2012 Dodge Chargers, they look the same, fairly. I just think they rushed it a little bit, if you ask me. I think it was rushed, you know. They wanted to try to get them out real fast and try to make people excited about a new car. You know, they put the EV out first, which was a horrible move. We all know that was probably the dumbest move of all time. You put an EV out, so you automatically sour your fan base, make them mad at you. They're already mad because it's an EV and you forcing it upon them, but they mad because you just got rid of the Dodge Charger and the Dodge Challenger, which are their babies. And you come with a Challenger that's an EV, and you think your muscle car fan base is going to be doing flips and tooting their booty up for you. Never going to happen. Horrible move. But what I'm saying is, I wouldn't get the car simply because, and listen to me good, the dealerships, let me say it again, the dealerships, they're going to mess it up. Dodge may be making a nice, wonderful comeback with 1,000 horsepower car, but the dealerships are gonna mess it up. Because let me tell you something. If they do have 1,000 horsepower car at roadkill nights, it's going to obliterate a Demon 170. Your Demon 170 will become obsolete. That's right. 1,000 horsepower, twin turbo, all-wheel drive Dodge Charger will obliterate a Demon 170. Even if the Demon 170 has more horsepower, it doesn't have all-wheel drive. And if you're spinning, your stinking ass ain't winning. So guess what? They're going to win a lot of people over with that. A lot of people are going to come over there. Not everybody, because muscle car guys like V8s. But it's going to be some sneaky muscle car guys that are going to sneak over there, sneaky cheeky style, and they're going to buy one of those cars. They may not be great sellers like the Hellcats was, but they're going to be good sellers. They're going to be great sellers. They're going to be probably great sellers because the BMW boys are going to come running. They're going to come running to this, in my opinion. I could be wrong. I may change my mind. But today I'm thinking, if I do the math right, it's going to be a lot of people excited about that car. And I just can't see how Dodge could mess up 1,000 horsepower sounding bad. I just don't think they could mess that up. Now, they did mess up 550 horses sounding bad. How you mess up 550 horsepower sounding like it don't even got no sound. Sounding like nothing, it baffles me. But how can you mess up 1,000? I don't think Dodge can mess it up 2 times in a row, can they? Can they do it 2 times in a row? Well, it is Dodge. And we've been seeing them fail over and over and over again. Hornet failure, EV Charger failure, Inline-6 Charger failure, Dodge Dart failure. Should I keep on going? Dodge or Ram Inline-6 failure. They've been failing a lot lately, but this 1,000 horsepower machine could be this machine that saves everything. You may not even have to put a V8 in these cars. If you listen to me, Tim Kaniskis, bring your butter bean head, biscuit eating butt close to the screen. Listen to me, sir. You ain't my friend because I don't know you, but you seem like a cool guy. Listen to me, man. Don't you let them overcharge for this car. Don't you make this stinking ass car $100,000. You better not make this car $100,000. You musty scoundrel. If you make this car $100,000, nobody's gonna buy it. Nobody's gonna buy it. You better make it 85, 90. And that's still too much, but you may be able to get away with that. You might be able to get away with the 85, 90. Base 80,000. If you can pull that off, get it to 80,000, you will definitely bring Dodge back with that. Because I just don't see how you could mess up 1,000 horsepower. How could you make that sound bad? How could that not sound good? Now, if you bring this out at Roadkill Nights and it sounds like good garbage, I'm going to ask for you to be fired. I'm just playing with you, man. I'm just playing with you. But if you let this happen, if you let them roll that car out there and it sounds like some good, hot Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Mountain Dew, pop can type exhaust, yeah, you might as well just go to the Dodge Court headquarters and burn it down, because you don't get any more chances. 3 strikes, you're out. You already had 3 strikes, but they let you go at the bat one more time to make it right. They let you make it right. Don't F it up. Don't F it up. Come on, Tim. Everybody's thinking that you can bring it. Mopar Jesus is what they call you. I just call you Tim. But they call you Mopar Jesus. I call you Tim. Now, you could do some big things here. You could officially save the brand. But you better make that car affordable. You better make that car affordable. And you better, listen to me now, and listen to me good. Direct connection, you better make a direct connection version so you can, whoever has that Inline-6, where they can make that car faster, where they can get bigger turbos installed on that car and make it faster. You better make that your direct connection thing. You better make sure you do that. And if you do that, listen to me now. Listen, you should be paying me for what I'm saying. You should be paying me. But I don't even think you're going to listen to me. You're going to fumble the ball again. But with that being said, tell me this. Do you think the 1,000 horsepower Inline-6 Dodge Charger powered by SRT will save the brand? Is this the car that brings Dodge back from nowhere, nothingness, the bottom pit, Hades? Hold on. And with that being said, tell me, is this new Inline-6 twin turbo or supercharged 1,000 horsepower vehicle going to bring Dodge back? Or Is it just gonna be 1,000 horsepower worth of garbage? Meet me in the comments and let me know what y'all think. And with that being said, man, y'all stay positive, man. Y'all stay blessed up and always look to the best things. Stop looking at the worst. Always think about the things that you know that are good that can happen. If you always negative, then negative things gonna happen to you. Stop being negative all the time. Take a deep breath, breathe. It's okay. I love you.